have to be that way.
No, it does
So
not.
if it's possible to create incentives and also create incentives that make money. They both make money and bring out the best in people.
I mean, in the long term, it's not a good investment for anyone, to have a
Yeah.
nuclear war, for example. And, is it a good investment for humanity if we just ultimately replace all humans by machines and then we're so obsolete that eventually there are no humans left? Well, it depends, I guess, on how you do the math. But I would say by any reasonable economic standard, if you look at the future income of humans and there aren't any, that's not a good investment. Moreover, like why can't we have a little bit of pride in our species? Damn it! Why should we just build another species that gets rid of us? If we were Neanderthals, would we really consider it a smart move if we had really advanced biotech to build Homo sapiens? You might say, hey Max, yeah, let's build these Homo sapiens. They're going to be smarter than us. Maybe they can help us defend us better against predators and help fix up our caves, make them nicer, and we'll control them undoubtedly. So then they build a couple, a little baby girl, a little baby boy, and then you have some wise old Neanderthal elder who's like, I'm scared that we're opening a Pandora's box here, and that we're going to get outsmarted by these super Neanderthal intelligences, and there won't be any Neanderthals left. But then you have a bunch of others in the cave. Are you such a Luddite scaremonger? Of course, they're going to want to keep us around because we are their creators, and why, I think the smarter they get, the nicer they're going to get. They're going to leave us. They're going to want us around, and it's going to be fine. And besides, look at these babies. They're so cute. Clearly, they're totally harmless. Those babies are exactly GPT-4.